Really?
It's all good.
You're just making it worse.
Get away. No. Hey, put that up. I'm laughing. Go away.
I can't have just one bar.
Oh, well, we'll make it work. So what are we doing today?
We got that good shit, dog.
That good shit?
That real good shit.
That real good shit.
Look at this shit.
It's up on the jack, so you know it's real.
This shit. It's called Ride Effects.
Yeah, we about to do a how-to video right quick on you.
This is how to lower your already lowered car. That really expensive lowering springs, but I'm just gonna go a little bit lower.
It started raining. What are you doing, buddy? You okay there? Hey, you're not driving, you know that, right?
No, I'm dry, you're wet.
What are you having problems with, buddy?
It doesn't fit.
What doesn't fit?
It doesn't fit.
Oh.
I need a hammer.
Well, that's not a hammer.
It looks like a hammer. It works like a hammer. It is a hammer.
That's not. What the f are you doing?
Making it fit.
Is this video for no reason? You know that my dad's gonna kill you, right?
Why?
That's his.
Sorry.
So we just decided to do the backs after it started raining. I don't know why.
Your friend is so thirsty.
No.
What?
I said the fucking no.
Oh,
Being a little bastard.
a little master.
It is. I already dropped the nut.
You dropped your nut?
Yeah, dog.
Oh man.
I'm just trying to lower my shit.
It's already low.
I know, but I want to go lower.
Oh boy.
How do I go lower?
Bags,
I feel like
bro.
lower is better.
It is. Bags, though, bro. Get you some groceries, bro.
Being kind of cute.
I think you just like make so many gay jokes that like one day somebody's just gonna be like, "Oh, you're too shook to actually."
You're too shook to suck my.
He's
And then you're actually gonna do it, and then we're all gonna be like, "Oh, I knew it."
Oh, I knew he was gay. I know, bro. I ain't gay. I just want to suck it.
Yeah, bro. It's fun. It's just being optimistic.
Suck a dick though. Like it's a lot harder to do a lot of other things. But sucking dick's not that hard.
I don't want to suck.
Listen, if you had to, you could though.
If I had to get out of, wait, no, you can't put me in a life or death situation because I already want to die.
What?
I need you to put the nut on it.
Which nut? Which nut are we talking about?
Obviously.
This nut in my hand,
Oh.
not the one that's gonna be in my hand later.
Oh.
The one that's currently in my hand.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, is that misleading?
No.
No. Okay.
So I don't know why it took an hour to do one. Oh my god.
That's not even one. That's half.
Oh, that's half.
Yeah, the other one still goes on.
Oh jeez. Colin,
I gotta pee.
we're gonna be here all night.
That's fine.
Okay, fair enough. It's gonna be so low, bro.
Bro, I can see the low already.
Oh man. Okay, but like, I think it gave it more wheel gap actually.
Yeah, it raised it.
Yeah. Okay, so this was a bust.
I wasted about an hour of my life.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah.
So what do we have to say about this?
I don't know. I'm confused.
I think next time we should just buy coilovers.
Yes. Coilers for poor people.
You're right.
I have a rare blood type, so they're like.
We got to come along this place.
So what are we doing?
Well, when somebody says you're too shook to do a burnout in a Civic that already doesn't have much of a clutch, and then you try to do a burnout and the clutch obliterates itself, well, that's what we're doing.
Do you think this is the best vehicle to move as a towing method?
I mean, it's four-wheel drive.
I don't mean it is.
Are we ready to do this?
Not as ready as I like.
This is the new tow rig, right?
Yeah, more rig is that tow rig.
Yeah.
Yep.
buddy.
Alright, go on get. Is it struggling?
I don't know, I'm barely on the gas.
I got my blinkers on.
I'll turn these on too. Where's the starter? You just gotta control the brakes.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright.
Oh, let's make sure we're clear here. Oh, it sounds miserable. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge.
I'll put you on brakes. Right?
Yeah. Hold on. After this Nissan.
Yep.
So, what do we got going on today?
What? Oh.
Anyway, what we doing here today, buddy?
We're replacing the clutch.
Oh yeah, clutching the Civic.
Hell yeah.
Got no gas. Looks like we're about to die.
Look how dark the sky is.
I know.
Good thing we're already halfway done.
Right.
Wrong goddamn parts. Look at this clutch. This was clearly used.
Oh man. Man, you sold him that clutch.
And this,
I didn't do shit.
And this broken axle.
Why'd you break the axle, Ben? You know, this is your fault. If you wouldn't have told him to do the burnout, we wouldn't be in this situation.
We would. I mean, all this D16Y8 torque right here.
Yeah, dude, that's like a clean break. I've never seen one do that.
That's a 19-year-old axle.
But it doesn't help that you sold us the wrong parts.
Listen here, Linda.
Even though you weren't here a year ago. You clean that damn floor.
I was here when he bought his last clutch.
You think that's funny, boy? You sound me a used clutch. Oh yeah. Really?
It's all good.
You're just making it worse.
Get away. Go home. Hey, put that up. I'm locked. Go away.
I just fucking stepped on it. He's just walking away.
He's fucking done.
I think you're retarded.
I think I'm a little drunk.
It's like a Dalmatian or some bullshit. Look. That's not how you do that.
That car's on a treadmill.